Hello guys, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to study the first chapter, that is Introduction to Computer. So let's get started. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes input in the form of data or instructions, processes, stores, and finally provides output. What is the application of computers? So there are various applications of computer: ticket reservations, bank operations like opening account, depositing the money, withdrawal of money, keeping the record of account holders, transferring the funds, inventory management and manufacturing support. Inventory management refers to the process of ordering, storing and using a company's inventory. These includes the management of raw materials, components and finished products, as well as warehousing and processing such items. For example, suppose you have a shop, and if you want to keep record of each item of the shop, so you can use inventory management software, and that can be operated by the computer. Entertainments, obviously you know about this. You can use computer for playing music, videos, games, etc. Teaching, nowadays there is a demand of computer for teaching purpose. We can teach all the subjects using the computer in the better way. Financial accounting. The financial accounting is the field of accounting concerned with the summary, analyzing and reporting of financial transactions pertaining to a business. Means with the help of computer we can analyze, summarize, prepare the reports, keep the records of all the products of any company. For example, suppose you have a big school, so you can keep record of all the salary which is paid by the school to the various employee. You can keep record of all the fees paid by the children to the school. Correspondence and publishing. Correspondence means making report, making letters, making documentation, making memorandas. Publishing means creating books, e-books, magazine, publishing the magazines, e-newspapers. With the help of a computer we can do this. Robotics. Robotics means, you can see nowadays instead of human beings, the machines are working. So that machines can be controlled by the computer. Using the computer we can design the robots, we can control the robots movement. Email and chatting. Using the email and chatting we can communicate with the various people within a seconds, but that should be used by the computer and the devices. Website development. Those who are developer can use the computer for developing the website. What are the basic components of typical computers? Input unit, memory unit, processor, output unit. What is an input unit? This unit provides data and instruction to the computer with the help of the various input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. Memory unit. This unit retains the data and instructions and process output for a while. Means the short durations or for a long time. Means the work of memory unit to memorize the data and instructions and process the task which is given by the user. Types of computer memory. Basically there are two types of the computer memory: primary memory or temporary memory or main memory, secondary memory, auxiliary memory or permanent memory. What is primary memory? This is the main memory which stores data and instructions for a short time. Means whatever the process goes on, that is inside the primary memory itself. This memory stores the data for a short term, and this memory stores the data when the power supply goes on. When the power supply is off, then data will be erased out. That's why it is known as volatile memory. Means its nature is temporary. Means when power supply is going on, then data will be inside, and when the power supply is off, the data will be erased out. So we can say it stores the data instruction for a short time, which means it stores data and instruction electronically till the computer is switched off. That's why the primary memory is also known as volatile memory. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This unit performs arithmetical and logical calculations. Arithmetical means addition, subtractions, multiplications, division. Logical means comparing the two entities. Control unit. This unit manages execution of instructions, control operations of other components of the computers. Means whatever the works performed by the computer, whatever the devices are attached to the computer, that will be controlled and managed by this CU. ALU and the CU together known as CPU, and that CPU is known as the brain of computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. What is cache memory? Basically the cache memory is used to speed up the computer process. The cache memory is the volatile memory which is very nearest to the CPU, so also called the CPU memory. All the recent instructions are stored into the cache memories. Basically the cache memory stores intermediate result or recent instructions which is used frequently by the computer memory. It is the fastest memory that provides the highest speed data access to a computer microprocessor. What is an output unit? This unit provides the result. Result may be hard copy or soft copy. Hard copy means the copy which is provided by the printer on the paper. Soft copy means the copy which is stored to the computer in the form of documents, in the form of Excel, in the form of PPT, etc. What are the characteristics of the computer? So it has a various characteristics: automation, accuracy, long-term storage, ability to perform the repetitive tasks, programmability. Automation. Computer can automatically perform a given task. Once the task is given, or once the data and instructions are given, then computer does the work without human intervention. What is accuracy? The accuracy, computers are able to perform the complex arithmetic and logical computations with the highest accuracy, but we need to provide correct instruction and the data to the computer to get the accurate result. Otherwise, garbage in, garbage out, which means computer always give the right answers, but it depends on us how we are instructing them. If we give the wrong input, then the output will be wrong. So that's why it is known as a garbage in, garbage out. If you are giving the wrong informations, wrong instructions, then the output will be wrong. For example, suppose instead of plus you are giving the minus, instead of 4 you are giving the 6. So this is the mistake done by the user. So computer always gives the correct answer. Even you are giving the big computation, computer always give the right answer. Long-term storage. Computer can store a huge amount of data in its secondary memory for a long time. The stored content can be easily recalled on request. Whenever we need, we can find it easily. We can transfer from one place to another also. Ability to perform the mechanical and repetitive tasks. Computers are able to perform mechanical tasks in consistent manner. They do not possess the human-oriented limitations such as loss of interest, likings, and physical capacity. As we know, the human body has a nature. If we do the task for a long time, we will get tired. We will do the mistakes because the physical body or the body will not support to do the work, because we will lose the concentration. But not like to the computer. Computer can do the work for a long time in a consistent manner without making the mistakes. Programmability. Computers can pre-programmed to execute the predefined set of instructions. Writing once and executing it many times saves lot of times and cost. Once you have written the program, that can be executed again and again. And if you need to remodify the program, you can remodify. So that is the benefit of programmability. Means we can develop own software, own program, and we can give to the computer once, and computer can do the same task again and again. What is program? The program is a set of instructions given to computer to perform some certain task. And as we know, the computer is a multi-purpose, multi-oriented device. That's why the computers are known as versatile devices. It can perform the various activity. What is program? So as I told, program is a set of instructions given to computer to perform some special task. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step guidelines to solve the given task. If you want to solve a big problem, so what we do, we plan properly, we go in a sequential manner so that we can get it easily. So with the help of algo, we can solve a big problem in a step-by-step way. So that's why I have written here the step-by-step guidelines to solve the given task is called the algorithm. What is software? The software is a organized collection of computer programs, data, and related documentation about program. What is documentation? Documentation means it holds the informations about the software, how the software is working, how to operate the software, how to use the software. Data means raw facts. Programs, as we know, the set of instruction or group of codes. What is hardware? The hardware is a physical component like keyboard, mouse, central processing unit, other peripherals devices, etc. What is firmware? The software embedded with the hardware usually facilitates the use and applications of the other hardware are called the firmware. You can take example of set-top box, fridge, washing machine, microwave. These all are embedded with the special software, and these softwares are embedded and coded while manufacturing of these devices. It also provides the unity to work with hardware and communicate the data when needed. Basically, these devices don't require the third-party app. So whatever the apps, whatever the programs that is coded by the manufacturing company, that is enough. So usually such firmware are developed by the hardware manufacturer company or provided free when one purchase the hardware. Thank you so much.